Peace and blessings, direct fam. So today we're back with another video. Today I will be unboxing a order from Luba Skincare. They're located in Lithonia, Georgia, and I got my order in 2 days. Even with all the craziness going on right now, they did an amazing job with shipping. I ordered it Thursday night, Friday had a tracking number, Monday had an order in my mailbox. Everything smells amazing. So what I'm doing is, for the past year or so, I've been buying from black-owned businesses. I try to highlight at least once a month a certain business. And so with this channel, I'm going to continue to try to choose one business to highlight a month. This month, I'm doing Luba Skincare. As you know, I've been speaking on my psoriasis and my skin, so I have to be very, very careful about what I put on my skin and what products I use. And so I'm using this all natural, 100% natural, organic skincare line. They're amazing. And over time, I'll show you like some videos or pictures from before and after using their products and just show you how it has helped my skin. So right now I'm just going to be showing you what I ordered. The box smelled amazing. Had my mailbox smelling great. They have sales going on often. I'll leave all their info at the bottom of this video. You really check them out. Beautiful, small, black-owned business. Black women, support, 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 support. That's what it's all about, okay? Each one teach one. Show someone else. And so, it's all handmade. So I first got here the rosehip oil. This is called Galactic Blue. And rosehip I've been hearing a lot about for the skin and for your face and things like that. And it's a hydrating face oil. And my face, as you can see, like I have some problems and things going on. And it's so hot outside. It's like a heat wave in California right now that you don't want nothing like extra thick and heavy on your skin. So this is a great like light oil to put on your skin and just go, but you still feel moisturized. So we got the oil here. I have the Handsome Jack soap bar. Smells amazing. This is Clay Mineral Handsome Jacks. It uses rosemary, black seed oil, all sorts of things. But look at the packaging. Look how cute the packaging is. I love it. And the soaps, like the way that they're shaped, they're so cute. They're like little moons. And then this is the salt bar. I really want the salt bar for my skin. I think I'm going to use this more maybe for my... The soap bar, this is for the skin. The salt bar, I believe, is for the face. Exfoliating. It has pink Himalayan sea salt. Yes. Eucalyptus lemongrass with colloidal oatmeal. And my daughter already decided to try to open a little. It smells so good. Look at this. Look how big these are. I was buying from Simply Wholesome and just stocking up, getting like 4 or 5 soaps at a time, black soaps and things like that. Because bar soap, to me, I like to use a lot. But this really, 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 really lasts. It really does. And so a little goes a long way, but look how big they are. So a $10 soap, but it's going to last a good amount of time. So I got the oils and I got the 2 bars. 1 soap bar, 1 salt bar. Here, since it did have to come from the East Coast to the West Coast, I guess. Oh, I love it. See, make sure they put the cold bags in here. Yes, they put the freezer bags in here with this insulated bag. I love this. They want to make sure this did not burst, did not get hot. Ooh. And this is the liquid body wash. So I actually got this from my husband because he doesn't prefer bar soap. He likes body wash. And they actually have a sale going on right now, 25% off the body wash. So we have the full cleanse regimen going on, okay? I'm going to let y'all know how I decide to use the bars. I am still a little confused. As you can see, I don't know which one I'm going to use on my face and which one I'm going to use on my body. But I got one for each. I don't remember which ones. And then we have the body wash here, and then we finish it off with the rosehip oil. Can you beat that? No. And they have good special deals going on all the time. And for any of you suffering with just like really dry skin or combination skin, or you're just looking for some relief for your skin, try this, please, try them out. Like at this point, Dove and Caress, it's not getting the job done. We don't know what's in those things. So look, they have everything, all the ingredients in it. It's ingredients we can read. All seed oils, coconut oils, cocoa butters, lemongrass oil, like things that are not too harsh for our body. And so please get into it. Look at the packaging, very professional, so cute. Everything was on time, actually early. Get into it, okay? I'm going to leave all their information down at the bottom, and I will let you know how these products work on my body. If you have any questions, if you want to know any more information about them, leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you. But for now, go and support your black owned business today, okay? Tell your aunties, tell your cousins, tell your mama, tell everybody, all right? See y'all next time, okay? This is Luba Skincare. Don't forget it. See y'all next week. Love you, Direct Fam. Okay, you guys, so I know this was just an unboxing video, but as I was editing, I realized it's been a few days since making that video, and I have not yet posted the unboxing video, and I've actually started using these products already. They're amazing, okay? And so I was like, I'm gonna do a quick little review, okay? The people need a quick review. So I want you to know that these products are amazing, so good. So my husband has been using this, right? He was the first to break in the products. He used this. The door, he's in the bathroom, the door is still closed. I smell it coming out the bathroom. It smells so good. I wanted to just jump on this man. It smells amazing. And he said he feels like he ain't never been this clean before. He was like, my body was tingling. It's like, ooh, it was working. So bubble wash, body wash is where it's at, and it's actually a sale right now, and this is the lemongrass, okay? Oh, you want to smell good all day? Get into it, okay? And this oil, the body oil, I showed y'all already, but I've been using it on my skin, and it's really hot out in San Diego right now because it's like a huge heat wave, and it's like I'm not sweaty, I'm not slimy, I'm not like sticky or anything. Like it feels so light, it feels so good. It just goes on so smooth. I have it on now, I have a little glow, and it's not heavy and thick, like you're not rubbing forever, but it's actually really moisturized. I know sometimes I feel like it has to be like greasy to feel like it's really getting the job done, especially for my super dry skin for psoriasis. But no, this body oil gets the job done, all right? So the body wash does not make me feel dry at all. Like I feel moisturized throughout the whole day. I don't need to keep putting it on or anything. Like it really lasts. And it feels good, okay? And it smells good. And it says it's for beards as well. So if you got a man, or if you out there, you got you a beard, get into this beard oil. It smells good. It's a body oil, beard oil, face oil. You can use it for whatever. And it's very natural. Everything smells good. Like, you read the ingredients, you know what's in it. My body bar has been amazing. It smells really good, and it's so smooth going on, and I really like the way that it's shaped, because the way it's shaped is like really for you to hold and for it to really sit in the bathroom, well, in the shower, without like falling and slipping all over the place. Like the way it's shaped, it's pretty cool. It's like a little moon, so it really works. It's very practical. And the salt bar, y'all, this salt bar, I'm never washing my face with nothing else, period. Like this salt bar is everything. When I say everything, I mean everything. In the morning and night, I do it twice a day. I do it with my hand. She has a cloth on her website that I'm gonna probably end up buying, but for now I've been doing it with my hand, but I already see results. I don't know if in the earlier video you saw that I had these like 2 pimples that popped up. I've probably been using this for like 3 days. I started at night, so like 2 full days, 2.5 days, and y'all, they're going away. They're just drying right up. They're going away. It says it's an acne bar, so it says like within a week of using it, you will see like your skin clearing up. After day 2, like like it really was after like 2 uses, I was like, hey, look at my face. And it's Himalayan pink salt, so that smells good. I forgot the fragrance, but it smells good, and I love it on my face. And it doesn't leave my face too dry afterwards, and it doesn't leave it too like oily. And then I can add a little face oil, and it's still light. Like everything is light. It's not too much product on your body. So get into it. Go look. Black owned, woman owned, Luba skincare products. It's amazing, okay? And I will keep y'all updated on my skin, and I will definitely keep showing you guys products that I use, you know, for psoriasis, or just if you have really dry skin, eczema or anything. I'll just be showing what works for me, what products I'm trying out, and you know how it's working or whatever. I have this, and then from Roses Quartz Atlanta, I did a video about that before. You can go check that out. But I'm using a psoriasis scalp oil from them right now, and that's working really well too, so I might do a video with that. But yeah, I just want y'all to get into this lifestyle, healthier, just, you know, trying to go as natural as I can with things, and it's really been great. It's been a good journey. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment, let me know what other content y'all want to see. If y'all have any questions, let me know. I'm gonna put all of the Luba skincare information at the bottom of this video, so please go check them out, okay? They have sales going all the time. They have a deal on the bubble bath right now. Like, get into it, okay? Y'all want y'all bathroom room smelling like a spa products for sure, I promise you. So thank y'all for checking out this video. I hope y'all have a great week. Peace and blessings, Direct Fam. Mwah.